Okay, this is the utility room, and this is the only entrance from outside to the utility room. We didn't put an exit on the inside because we didn't want the noise coming through. You know, when you first get appliances, they're quiet, but after a couple years, they rattle. So this is the utility room. Today is December 21st, and we have passed our electric, and so that means we can finish our drywall and have our electric hooked up within a couple days. That's the hole for the attic right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Update on the utility room. Super Bob's been working hard, getting it all painted. See, I guess it still needs another coat. But I think it looks pretty good for a utility room. So the board's on. What else did you say?
I got all the switches and outlets hooked up. Power's
And working.
on here. Yep. See, the lights are mounted.
Lights are mounted, yep.
Got the cover on the breaker box. Got the washer finished out. Got the junction box for the air handler. That's for the light.
Cool.
This is for the pump. Of course, the switch turn on this would be a generator, transformer.
Okay. Looking good, Bob. December 28th. Update on the utility room. The floor needs another coat. And the trim. The lights work with the switch. It's awesome. Bob just finished the equipment pad for the air conditioning.
Got the retaining wall to do now.
There's going to be a chain wall here and one in front, right?
Yep, and cap, just like the other retaining wall.
Just like that wall. It's January 7th, and Super Bob has just finished in here, and we're still waiting to hear from the HVAC installer. Today is February 17th, 2023, and we bought a dehumidifier because the HVAC guy still has not shown up. It's March 31st, and the HVAC people just left. Sounds like it's running to me. So with this running, we are done with the utility room. Except for, he's got something on the floor. He's got paper on the floor. So we gotta pull that up. And he's gotta put the hot water heater in. I thought it was in here.
Make sure it's working.
I can feel it.
It smells funny. I almost got to let it run for a little while.
I have no idea.